guys, it's Cassie, and today I have both a Louis Vuitton and Hermès unboxing for you. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. This was one of those things where, you know, you see it and it's just like, I need these in my life. My gosh, this box is absolutely huge. I mentioned these in my coziest luxury items to wear at home video. The logistics of this is awful, I apologise. 1 second. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Ha! I'm trying to get out of this with all of my limbs intact. Oh my gosh, this is, oh, so much. Her. Let me just shut up and show you. Comes in the box. Apparently the box is now collapsible, such that if you are travelling, you can collapse it and take the box with you and put it in your bag, and you don't have to worry about not having the box. They do come in individual dust bags, as we know, and it is the Bombardier Flat Mule in shearling. She is an indoor-outdoor woman, and we love her. Like I said, I have always loved the slippers for the home, but then I always thought, you know what, that is a lot of money to buy something that I'm inevitably going to have to replace after X months, and I can only do a home flex. Like, you know, I would love to be able to flex on these hose outside of the house, and these allow me to do that. So they do have like a proper grip sole, and they're shearling, and then they have a leather Louis Vuitton Paris tag there, and from first impressions, she's a sturdy bitch. That, but then also that might mean that they're a bit uncomfortable. So let's just slip the feet in, see how they are. They do these in, so this is obviously the black with white, and then they do a kind of like creamy colour with black monogram on them. Made in Italy, if anyone cares. My essay and I had a little bit of a struggle. They're perfect. Okay, my essay and I had a little bit of a struggle, what with the sizing. Now, with Louis Vuitton sneakers, I'm usually half a size down because they come up big. These weren't in the store, and at the time they're only available to order in via an essay. So I spoke with my essay and we were kind of umming and ahhing, do I go for the 38.5, do I go for the 39? So I thought, you know what, let me just try the 39. If all else fails, I can return them and go for a different size or whatever. So we went for the 39 and they are perfect. You know, like it's kind of raised around the edges, so your foot really lives in there nicely, you know. When we can travel again, these are just going to be my absolute travel essentials. Just like, imagine me flip-flopping throughout the airport in my shearling Louis Vuitton slides. Oh my gosh, like, it would just be so cozy and comfy and truly a flex. Okay, so I'm going to keep you updated on these because I've been wearing them around the house and everything, but obviously it's not been long enough for me to know, like, how hard wearing they are, how long they're going to last, all of that, which is important stuff. So I will keep you updated. But one thing I did not think about when buying these, which I don't even know, my mind just did not go there, but what with these being shearling, they pick up every little bit of lint. So I don't know if you can tell on here, but I can tell in the footage that I'm editing, lint. So I'm going to have lint roller on deck. I do still love them, but that is like an annoying thing to keep in mind. Another thing, I haven't worn them outside of the house yet, but what I want to keep an eye on is, you know, basically how well these are going to last kind of depends on the width between the rubber bit and where the shearling starts. Because as soon as like this bit starts getting on like dirt and stuff, that's where it's going to get messy. And then it's going to be like, you can't wear these outside of the house. It was a waste of you getting an indoor-outdoor slipper, you know? And this is what we don't want. So I will be keeping you updated. Moving on to Hermès. Now, when I get like a little bit later on in my Hermès journey, I shall be sharing my findings. But I do want to be like very honest about my whole experience and whatever else. As we know, I took the ribbon off. As we know, I am on the quest to be offered a Birkin. And I want to do it in store because I want the experience. I want that moment when they say, come with me, madam. And you're like, This is it. This is the moment I've been living for. That's an exaggeration, but you know what I mean, right? I want to do it that way. That's why I'm not going like pre-loved with it or whatever. I know I can get exactly what I want, but I kind of want to do the whole experience. So I am playing the game, as they say. Now, I've been thinking about this for a little while. I think it was in my first wish list that I did this year. So I've been thinking about it for, you know, a good few months. What was that? Oh, I got a small gift. What is the small gift? This silk spaghetti, made in our workshops, deserves special care and attention. To preserve it, we recommend you protect it from contact with water and abrasive products. A silk spaghetti. And they gave me this. They gave me an offcut of one of their scarves. This is one of those pieces that, A, because of all the pandemic and everything, and just in general, they don't know when they're getting stock in. And B, to be honest, the colour is very nice. Okay, let's not lie. This is the Kelly Compact Pocket Wallet, and the colour is Bleu Atoll. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. It is in Epsom leather, which I wanted, and silver hardware, okay? So you've got the little sort of Kelly clasp at the front there. She opens up, she houses your cards, and then she's got a little zip section at the back, right? Thought I'd broken it. However, it was just a little rubber clasp that goes on your little, it's a very cute, tiny little Hermès lock, right? Look, you cannot doubt the attention to detail, and was this disgustingly expensive for an SLG? Yes, it was. This was £1,030. Let me see actually how many cards I can actually house in this, but I think it's very cute. Did I settle for not my first choice because I'm impatient and also wanted to start playing said game? Yes, I did. Because I'm honest with you and I'm going to let you know. 6, 7. I have 7 cards here. Let's see if they all go in. Easily. Right, they're all in there. They all fit in easily. And it's very slim. And, I mean, it's called the Pocket Compact Wallet. But it is very compact. You know, you'd kind of think it would be a bit fatter than that. But no, extremely svelte. Okay, so I love that. I do love the colour. Do I wish it had gold hardware? Yes. Am I going to cry about it? No. Anyway, so I got offered 2 bags, none of which were Kelly's or Birkins. You know, I actually had to have a moment with myself. One of them had crocodile involved in it. It wasn't a full crocodile, but it had a crocodile element. And I had to really sit there and be like, am I about to spend £11,000 on a bag I don't even want just to edge closer to my dream of getting a bag I do want? No. But the sad thing is that I contemplated that, okay? And that's not okay. And that is part of this stupid sodding game, which I will keep you all updated on. Guys, let me know what you thought of what I got. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.